Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn about roles program in SystemEver. This program will decide the authorization for each role based on its grouping. On top of the program, there is toolbar panel, inquiry button to refresh the page and to search a certain group name or group type. Save and delete row buttons are basic functions. Role Authorization Unit Process is an extension menu to manage which screens of unit process to be accessed with. The screen program is divided into two parts. The left side is the list of group names and the table of employees as users on the right side. Assign the users based on the list on these group names. For example, let's have a look on inventory. Double-click on inventory line, and you can see the list of the employees who have access to inventory. To assign a new user, double-click on user lines, and the system will bring you the list of the employees. Choose one of the employee, and click Apply. Insert the remark if it's necessary. Finally, click Save. Now, if we click Role Authorization Unit Process, and the system will bring you to Role Authorization Unit Process program. If we have a look in Inventory Control menus, we can check on the menus which calendar can have access on those the checklist table. That's the final for roles. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.